Struggling to change capital letters to small letters in PowerPoint? Then follow these simple steps. Just select the text using your mouse or a keyboard. After selecting, under the Home tab, here you will see the option of Change Case. Just click on the drop down and here you will see the option of Lowercase. The lowercase means all capital letters will be converted to the small letters. After clicking on the lowercase, as you can see, we have successfully changed capital letters to small letters. You can also go to the change case option and select the sentence case if you want the first letter to be capital. And if you want to capitalize each word, then you can select capitalize each word to make each letter capital of the word. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn PowerPoint quickly. See you again in the next one.